and doing some amazing work other than Zardozi. Interesting. And now, let's meet the organizer of the Delhi Fashion Week, Mr. Sumit Nair, to know more about this exciting event.
Delhi Fashion Week as a concept is about creativity and talent. It is not about older designers or younger designers, senior or junior. It's about creating a platform for the most creative and talented designers in the country, be they 18 years old or 85 years old. And that's why we have Rohit Bal, Tarun Tehliani, Gaurav Gupta, Lekone Hemant, Anamika Khanna. These are the designers that we're carrying at Delhi Fashion Week, amongst many others, Varun Sardana, who are extremely talented. And we're seeing several of these designers go international, make a mark in the international scene, as well as domestically. So it's been an exciting road, and I think it's going to be even further, more exciting going forward.
But any fashion event is incomplete without a fashion show and a cocktail evening. So let's go to the Royal Mirage and have some fun. I Love Dubai is a lot of fun, but at the same time, we like to concentrate on the meaningful things that are happening around us. With that, we come to our next segment, High Focus. हाई फोकस में हम हर हफ्ते उन इश्यूज को डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमारे लिए और हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली, what can be more important for us right now than the current financial situation? Recession is a state of negative growth, जहाँ पर दुनिया भर में कैश क्रंच महसूस किया जाता है, प्रोजेक्ट स्टॉल हो जाते हैं और पैसे की लिक्विडिटी कम हो जाती है. But that's not all. Let's find out more about it from our expert, Sandy Saxena.
Hi, I'm Sandy Saxena and I'm a financial planner. I've been in Dubai for the last 12 years and I'm here to tell you about recession. Yes, not a very complicated term because I'm going to explain it to you in language that you all will understand. People are talking about the recession. I'm saying economic slowdown. Well, let's see. Recession, according to me, is when you don't have that much money to spend on the things that you really like. Recession happens because something goes wrong somewhere. In this case, it was the subprime crisis, and it happened in the United States. But because the global economy is so interconnected, we are all feeling the after effects of that. Recession for us, you know, and all our viewers on High Life Dubai, is all about not having enough money. It could be you have a problem in your job, it could be a problem about your increment, it could be redundancy, it could be reduced budgets if you're in a business. It affects each of us. Enough about the doom and gloom and the economic slowdown and the recession. This is a time where people like you and I can really do something positive about it. There are lots of ways in which you can make money. There are lots of ways in which you can move forward in your careers. There are lots of ways in which you can even start your own business. And to know about that, watch the next 3 episodes of High Life Dubai, and I'm sure you'll pick up some great pointers.
But hey, we can't end the Valentine's episode on a somber note. So here are some sweet messages for you from these beautiful international models.
Hi Dubai, a very happy Valentine's Day to you from Anusha.
I wish to everyone a very happy Valentine's Day.
Hi, my name is Afra and I want to wish everybody from High Life Dubai a very nice Valentine's Day.
I really want to wish everybody in Dubai a really amazing Valentine's Day. So have a nice time, have a nice day, and say love you.
Hi, my name is Tanise and I would love to wish everyone from High Life a very happy Valentine's Day.
Hey, this is me, Amrita Rao, wishing everyone in Dubai a very romantic Valentine's.
Don't forget to go on our website for more information and also to win loads of gifts. In next week's episode, you will get a chance to win an exclusive piece from my new collection, so don't miss it. See you next week. Till then, have fun.